Hey there, food enthusiasts. Today, let's chat about a delightful and healthier version of a classic treat. Apple pie biscuits. Picture warm, flaky biscuits stuffed with delicious apples spiced just right. These biscuits are like a hug for your taste buds, but with a healthy twist. Instead of loading up on sugar and butter, we're using natural sweeteners and whole ingredients to create these tasty treats. We'll swap out refined flour for whole wheat flour and cut back on added sugars to keep things light and nutritious. To make these guilt-free goodies, start by mixing up a simple biscuit dough using whole wheat flour, a touch of honey or maple syrup, and a bit of cinnamon for flavor. Then, fill each biscuit with a mixture of sliced apples, tossed with a hint of sweetness from natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup. Once baked to golden perfection, you'll have a batch of wholesome apple pie biscuits that are perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth without any of the guilt. So if you're looking for a healthier way to enjoy the comforting flavors of apple pie, give these apple pie biscuits a try. And don't forget to follow us for more delicious and nutritious recipes. Let's bake up some goodness together.